you were going to sign for a manager to play for out of the 6 managers in the top 6, who would you sign to
Quickly.
Who would you sign to play for?
Mikel
Ian?
Arteta.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, you look at the package.
Xavi,
You look at the package.
No. You're available, Roy. You're 24 years of age. You're signing for 115 million. You've got to sign for a manager.
in the current state, the club's current
Where they are, those 6 managers. Which manager would you want to play for?
I think if I was a player, I'd probably I'd say Alonso, not just because I know, but I mean, know what I mean? Is like, he's a player who's won the World Cup, isn't he? You know, he's had an unbelievable playing career as well. And he's done well as a manager.
And he's won trophies as a manager.
Yeah, I'd go Alonso.
So you're an Alonso? Alonso, Arteta, Roy, who are you signing for?
That's an awkward question.
Don't think they might come in for it.
Come on, Roy. Roy Keane signs for
It'd be Alonso.
It's killing
Alonso.
them.
Yeah, he's played in my position.
I'm going to go Arteta.
Nice one.
I'm going to go
Is that
Arteta.
because you'd interviewed him at the end of last season?
No, Jamie.
It's just his intensity. I think it's that sort of, that's how I think the intensity of it.